Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. They better be pumping some fresh E85 in those lines. Let me tell you that right now. Sometimes it's been reading E70. I'm like, ooh, little sketch. But we're about to head out to a little late night car meet. It is incredibly late, but it is what it is. We're pulling up fashionably late, but it's all good. I'm starting to like Gold Peak better and Arizona. I don't know why. Cops are gonna be out tonight. Probably a lot, to be honest.
Moments later.
people fly through this like side of town makes no sense to me. These roads are literally like a roller coaster. So bumpy, it's not even funny. Cars on, I guess, both sides, or everybody got kicked out. One of the two. People definitely just got kicked out. You're shitting me. Hold on. Fuck. I don't know what he said. People 100% got kicked out. Revving like people want to hear that. I think they got kicked out. I think they got kicked out. Alright, well, we out. Ain't no reason to stay. It was a nice little cruise. I don't know what I expected though, because it's late and on top of that it's a Monday. It's like, what, you know, people are probably like, yo, what are these guys doing? Go home. In all reality.
A few moments later.
Oh no! I knew he was pulling his ass over. Fuck! I knew he was getting his ass pulled over. Damn! Man, I don't know what that scat back was thinking, but he literally pulled up like next to me, kind of matched my speed, and I just looked over like, bro, like, what are you doing? And then there was a cop right there. Oh my goodness, dude. Like, come on. Gotta use your brain. He definitely was going over the speed limit too. Like, I'm going like 60, like 65. So I'll be chilling going like 60, 65. Cops everywhere, dog. It's late too, and there's a park and chill back down the road. What are you, like, what are you doing? I don't get it. I really don't get it. People don't really think things through. You don't go race right where there is a park and chill, or there was a park and chill. Crazy, bro. And then why would you come up next to a car and try to match the speed? It makes no type of sense. All right, think we're gonna call it a night. It's crazy how much different the wheels look when the car is somewhat clean. But as you guys saw, there are a lot of cops out tonight, ladies and gentlemen. They are not playing around. I don't know why there's so many out recently, but you gotta play it safe. Loving the ESS G3R setup though, for real. Awesome, awesome. controllable power. I know a lot of people like Whipple, twin turbos, but I really do enjoy the centrifugal supercharger with the Shelby GT350. Remember, we're getting the clutch swapped out very, very soon. So if you guys are excited for the future content, feel free. Drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. If you guys want more nighttime chill POV drives, let me know down in the comment section. We could definitely get that done, but obviously you got to be as safe as possible, because honestly it's kind of a little bit more sketch than going out during the day and doing the daytime POV drives, doing hits and whatnot, because at night it's almost kind of impossible, especially if you're trying to go to a little cars and coffee, not cars and coffee, a late night car meet. Jesus, cars and coffee, I'm tired. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Peace.